Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
And then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. Ooh. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, 'cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. 'Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way, yeah. This was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. 'Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow. Just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time.
Ready to talk, baby, can be your rock, baby. Please come and sit with me, or take a walk with me. I need to speak to you, just wanna be with you. Just let me take you for a ride. Is there a chance that we could make another try? I think we're meant to be, didn't wanna say goodbye. If there's a chance, just tell me how. 'Cause time is precious, time is now.
Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow. Just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time.
No, I was dumb, baby, just way too young, baby. I was too blind to see what you meant to me. The things you can't forgive, didn't know how to live, 'cause I didn't love myself. Wish I could turn back time, go back and do things right. Give you a wedding ring, give you my everything, and be there by your side. Share a life and have a child.
Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow. Just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. Thinking about you lately, I'm hanging on to a maybe. I still miss you every day. You were the one who got away. Been thinking about you lately, I'm hanging on to a maybe. I still miss you every day. You were the one who got away. Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow. Just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time with you. Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time with you. I wanna spend
unit, then please continue to watch. The unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Cynosure Hair. Shout out to you, Cynosure. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Shout out to you, boo, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the unit that they sent me is their HD Body Wave Human Hair Wig. It is 26 inches and it's 220% density. That's a lot of hair, girl. Okay, that's a lot of hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on the site and see what other details and specs they have. So on the site, it says long body wave human hair lace front wig, pre-plucked real HD transparent lace wig. So this unit does come in 10 to 34 inches. As I stated, do have it in 26. It says it only comes in HD lace, but you can get it in a 13x4, a 4x4, a 5x5, or a 13x6. You can get it in all those different types. It is also available in 150, 180, and 220% density. Now, as far as the details and specs go with this wig, it says unprocessed 100% human hair wig from one donor. Swiss lace and HD transparent color, blend well with any skin, strong and invisible. Natural black color, 100% human hair wig, can be dyed or bleached. And the cap size is your standard medium. It says sizes small or large size, custom fee, please contact customer service. So you are able to get it in another cap size. I will go ahead and say that in my opinion that this unit is pretty big head friendly. I am an average cap size and I did have to adjust the straps and I still got a good amount of room back here. So I feel like if your head is more so on the larger cap size, then you may just be able to get away with just getting it in an average, standard cap size. But I will say if you have a really, really small head, then it may not work. But honey, do with that what you want to do with that, because I only got the head that's on my shoulders. Now, as far as it coming pre-tweezed, I did tweeze it a little bit myself, but not a whole lot. So yeah, it definitely did come pre-tweezed, but I did decide to tweeze it a little more myself. And I do want to go ahead and throw it out there that I did have to bleach the knot, so keep that in mind as well. And that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you are interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360 and a lint check, then please continue to watch. Okay, so they did not specify if they were sending me a 13x4, but this unit was definitely given 13x4 because I did have to do a curved part. So I would say that is my con. You guys know that has just kind of been my standard con. Whenever I can't think of anything else about a unit that I dislike, so there it is. I'm throwing it out there to you. But these curved parts does make me not dislike the 13x4s as much as I normally would. So that is my con. My pros are, first of all, I love this lace. I think the lace is really, really nice. I feel like it blended in really nicely. I also love that it did come pre-tweezed. Even though I did have to tweeze it a little more, I still love that it came pre-tweezed. So that is always a plus. And I also love the texture of this hair. I think the hair feels really, really good. I love that for me. So yeah, I also love the length. I love the length of it. I did add layers. I don't know if I mentioned that, but I love the overall length of this unit. I like a good long body wave wig. So yeah, those are my pros. Overall, I would recommend this unit. I would recommend it simply because it did come pre-tweezed. Now, I did state that I had to bleach the knots, but I feel like that's something that you can get away with not doing it. I have just been on one of those kicks. So, but with you, you don't have to do it unless you want to do it, girl. It's your hair. You do what you want to do with your hair. So, yeah, I would personally recommend it. All right, honey, let me give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So, this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you're feeling it. Let me know if you feel like it's a look, it's a vibe. Sound off down below in the comments. I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out to you, Cynosure, for sending me this unit. I really, really do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not costing not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm HealthyMissT on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Disastrous beauty. Yes, you just came into it. The looks you love completely. Got every styles and weekly. Disastrous.